And the woman.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Yo, look at the screen in front of you. I play the rest of that video clip here, but I just want to talk about this. Yo, 4 people in a car in a Mandeville. I trail somebody in another car will just make a transaction at the bank. And the police follow them and catch them in at the town center in Mandeville. The lady had a gun in her bra, in her bosom. Yo, what is going on in Jamaica? Jano, it's like the people in Jamaica, them get more and more vicious. From your little boy, they are Jamaica, and my father I go bank, Scotia Bank. You always say, hide your money. You can't make people know where you do. You have to flex that way, yeah, flex that way there. And I them thing that my father used to tell me. But one of the biggest things, I'm not making you watch the rest of this clip. I just make a little comment and then make you watch the clip. But one of the biggest things will stick out like a sore thumb on that one here is the fact that the person is at the bank, them leave the bank, and somebody start follow them. That is a damn setup. I don't know all the police them no crack that case there. I one of the easiest case. And people them, somebody who work at the bank, do the setup. Now, them have to check the phone them. Cause sometimes them use phone and I realize say, yo, everything is recorded on a phone. Your location and everything. But if me go to the bank and people start trail me, what does that say about the bank employees then? And that's how Jamaica is. Jamaica. Now, the police them do a damn good job. Cause in America, you know, and Canada and them places, you can't even go in a woman bosom on the street, but Jamaica different. Jamaica different. You understand? And the police them do a good job. Now, the person who also do a good job is the person that was driving, that was being followed. They're very, very, very much safety conscious. You understand? And yo, my hats off to them, yo. Too much criminal there at Jamaica, dog. 4 man in a car, 3 man and 1 woman in a car. I trail somebody and the girl have the matic in her blood clot titty in her breast. Come on. Yo, may I play the rest of that clip here? And yo, leave a comment. Subscribe if you subscribe. Just drop a comment and let me know. You understand? And there's many more videos there here. Now check out the Country Squad in the WhatsApp group. That group is very hot. I'm out. Countryman.
So we drop, yes, he said ain't something else. Huh? So why next man them there? Hmm? All right, night black. And the woman.
Oh, sir. Yeah, sir. Yes, man.
Yeah,
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Come on.